Today in this video we're gonna see that why we don't get shocked from the neutral wear. What is the reason behind it? Let's talk about it. Normally you don't get shocked from the neutral wear in a properly working circuit because it's bonded to earth at the electrical panel by keeping it at or near 0 volts. So there is no significant voltage difference for current to flow through you. Since the current needs a potential difference to flow and you are also at earth potential and by touching the neutral doesn't complete a circuit that would send dangerous current through your body unlike touching a hot wire. So however a broken neutral wire or fault can make it dangerous. So always treat it with a caution. One thing you have to remember all time that the neutral wire can become a shock hazard under fault condition. So never assume it completely safe to touch. So this is all about the basic regarding why you don't get shock from the neutral wire.